Hi, my name is Roxanne and welcome to my neck of the woods. In this video, I'm going to see what's in my Portland leather goods mystery box. Now, in all transparency, I cut the box open. I started opening it, started talking about it. This thing was on top right here. Then I realized, thank God I didn't get too deep into it. The only thing, I got a peek of one of the colors and it's green and it's wonderful. I was starting to talk about it, then I realized that I was not recording. Anyway, why did I get this Portland leather goods box? You know, I've been seeing things on Portland leather goods. I checked out their site and I like their small goods. Their totes is not really my jam. I do hope that in this box there's a tassel, I hope. Recently, I watched Tanner Leatherstein's video on Portland leather goods and he gave it a very good review. Now, if you don't know who this guy is, this dude constructs bags. He like literally tears them apart. He's a leather expert. It seems like he knows what he's talking about and I kind of trust his opinion. So for the price, I thought I would try it out. I am in the market for small goods. Now, this is the tote that I got. I like the color very much. This is their traditional tote. I'm not sure what the name is. It is a crossbody, which I do enjoy that very much. I'm gonna see if my mom likes it. If she likes it, she can definitely have it. Or any one of my sister-in-laws. Like I said, I don't really need this. I love mysteries and I want to see what else is inside. Ooh, this is nice. I like the paper. Okay, let's see. I'm looking for small bags. I hope I don't get a wallet. I have my own particular wallet and I hope I get a journal or a tassel. That's what I'm really hoping for. Okay, let's see. Is this a tassel? Oh my God, it is. It is a tassel. That is cool. Okay, I'm happy. I'll see how I can get this on a bag. But yeah, I do like this tassel. I'm happy. I'm happy. Let's see if I'll get a journal. It says made in Mexico on the little tag. And the color, I don't know what this color is. I will try and research it. They say that the things in this box, it could be things that are still selling on their site. Oh, this is cute. I do like this color, this rose color. And it says Portland leather goods on there, if you can see it, right? And this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for, oh, it smells good, the leather. Yeah. I want to have small little bags like this that I can put like my hand lotion, my lipstick. I hardly ever wear lipstick, but my cream, my hand cream. So then when I change bags, I can just take this and move it from one bag to another. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. I mean, I like this. I'm looking forward to this. I'm looking forward to using it. I have a feeling this is a journal. I do hope this is a journal. Oh, there's two items. Okay, what is this? Okay. This is some sort of a bag. I'm not sure what I could use this. I'm not sure what I could put in it. I don't know if I have anything flat. The color is nice. I'm either gonna give it away or sell it. I don't think I have use for this one, but that's okay. Come on, come on, be a journal. Yes, it is a journal. I am so happy. Isn't this nice? I've seen this on their sites and I thought about ordering it. I love this box. I absolutely love it because I got what I wanted. Okay, so my plan is, since I'm a new collector of leather bags, whew, it's hot. I'm hot. I want to use this journal to start documenting my bags, like where I bought them, how much I paid for them, that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm very happy about this. Super happy. Oh yes, I like the way it wraps around. I don't know the name of this color, but I will see if I can find out. and it says Portland Leather Company on here. Let's see if I can. I like this journal a lot. I think this would be a perfect travel journal. Do you journal? I journal. Yeah, this is nice. Oh yeah, I like this. Okay. Oh. I thought there was more, but there isn't. Nope, that's it. This is just stuffing. I paid a total of $190, and that was including tax and everything. I think this is like right around 160. It's $164 for one medium tote and 4 small goods mystery box. To me, it's worth it. I love this. Like I said, I'm probably gonna give this away, but really this is what I wanted. I wanted the journal, I wanted a small bag, I love the colors, and I wanted a tassel. So I'm very happy with everything that I got. I was going to look up each item that I got in the box and find out what color it is and give you more detail about it, but it's too much. So this tote bag, they have something similar, very similar to this on the site, and it's about $100. I looked up solds of this on Poshmark, and they sell anywhere from like $30 to $110. I don't know which color this is. I tried to look it up on the site, but I couldn't figure it out. It does have a pocket inside of it and a pocket on the outside. Like I said, this, I don't know if my mom wants it, but if she wants it, she'll get it. If not, I might just sell it on Poshmark, eBay, or Mercari. That's where I sell stuff that I get from thrift store and bags and things of that nature. This bag I bought actually off of Poshmark. It's no name, but I do like it a lot because it has this opening that it's pretty cool. It's a nice inside. The lining is kind of cool. It has a chain. Whoa, what's in here? Oh, this is to clean your glasses. It has a chain that you can wear it crossbody. Even though I like wearing crossbody bags, for this one, I just like using it as a handle, right? Now, I decided that it already has like a little charm on this bag, but I think it will look really nice. Maybe. What do you guys think? Should I put this on the bag? I'm gonna try it. I love the opening. Did I already say that? This chain needs to go. Or maybe I need to get a better chain. So it already has a tassel on the side. Now that I'm looking at it, I don't think that this tassel is right for this bag. Let's see if I can find another bag for it. How about this one? This little envelope bag, I've had it for, oh, tissue, lovely. I had it for years, and lipstick. I bought it in Florence, Italy, and I probably paid, I don't know, $10 for it, or 10 euros back in 2012. I've worn this bag so many times. It's not very big, but you know, it carries your wallet. How about this? Yeah, I think this is kind of cool. Now this, I have knickknacks in here. Do I have? Yes, I do have a pair of scissors. I got these from Amazon, I'm sure, or Temu or Shein, one of those. But they're kind of cool. You just have to be careful when you put them together, because I don't want to like stab myself. They're cool, but they're a little bit tricky to put together. But anyway, here's my little pouch. Again, I couldn't figure out exactly what the name of this color is. I don't care. I like it. It's pretty. I do think I will leave this tassel for now on this bag. because it's kind of cool. It is very cool. I like the green and the red mixed together. Then we talked about my journal. Again, I'm not sure exactly what is the name of the color. It looks like it's yellow to me, but I'm sure they call it something else in the Portland leather world. Oh my God, I think it's just really cool. I might be buying more of these journals. The actual notebook inside of it, I might change that. You know, it is just a notebook. Well, it says Portland Leather Company. Yeah, I'm sure I will use it. I'm excited about this. I'm enjoying this mystery box a lot more than I thought. My goal is to have these little pouches. I'm sure everybody does this. It's not just me. Where you can have your knickknacks in there and your lipsticks and your hand creams and hand sanitizers. And then that way you can just move it from bag to bag. This is what I used today. I just went over to dinner at my brother's house. And what did I put in this big old bag? This is a Michael Kors bag. This was like $570 originally, but I got it from the outlet for like $100 and some. I got it in Las Vegas. What did I put in this bag? I had some cans, the little mini cans. I had 2 packs of these when I went over of Coke and, well, Diet Coke, that I took over to my brother's house. And I just thought that I would be styling, taking my Coke bottles, cans in this lovely bag. Listen, you guys, I've been rambling. I'm tired. I need to go to bed because I'm gonna go hiking tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. By all means, if you like my vibe, subscribe. I will talk to you later. Bye.